Hey yo Phoenixes, Daniela here from Redesign Your Life Forever, and welcome to another Friday Inspiration, Creativity Inspiration episode, Free Create Fridays. As you all know, here at Redesign Your Life Forever, it is my passion to share with you the tools to using divine intelligent design for your benefit. So of course, that always including creativity. And creativity can include anything, much like what we're going to be starting with this fall. Now it is officially September, my birthday month. Let the celebrations begin. As always, birthday month fabulousness. And I try and celebrate fall as soon as humanly possible, as soon as I get the excuse to. So basically, September 1. Now I know the fall does not actually start till the 22nd, but in my book, it's already fall. So trying to bring in those fall feelings and fall flavors, trying to bring in that cooler weather for those of us who schwitz a little too much in this humidity, particularly here in the south. And I am kicking that off this week with showing you how to make this amazing smelling pumpkin pie spiced body butter. Look at that. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. This literally smells like a pumpkin pie, y'all. It has got everything in it that you will need to not only moisturize your skin safely, naturally, 100% natural, by the way. As some of you may know, I do a lot of natural medicine and a lot of natural beauty products. I no longer use any kind of moisturizer whatsoever. I actually use hemp seed oil combined with essential oils. And that's real essential oils, kids, not fragrance oil. And that is a whole nother topic that we can get into. But I absolutely love making body butters and body scrubs, sugar scrubs, coffee scrubs, anything and everything that you can imagine. My own shampoo, my own laundry soap and detergent, just anything and everything that's going to come in contact with my body and my skin. Absolutely try and get as much of it to be 100% natural, organic, non-GMO, blah, 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 as you can possibly get. And I can honestly tell you that from starting this, I want to say a couple of years ago, slowly working my way up, adding more and more and more things to my regimen, it has greatly improved not only the health of my skin overall, but just my overall vitality, because I'm not adding extra poison literally into my body through my pores. Now, most of us know this and we just tend to forget it, but anything and everything that comes in contact with your skin and sits on it, particularly sits on it for any length of time, gets absorbed. And well, that includes body butters. So you will find that if you go and read most of the ingredients on all of your lotions and all of your things from all of your high-powered lotion makers, you can't read most of that shit. It's kind of terrifying. So all we have in here is shea butter, natural, organic shea butter. And I will tell you where I got all of this from when we talk about ingredients and materials. Shea butter, coconut oil, again, natural, organic, cold pressed, blah, 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 blah. And olive oil, again, the same. You're going to find a little bit of vitamin E in here. Those vitamin E capsules that you can take. We'll pop a few of those open, and that is going to be the only preservative in this bad boy. This is going to last for months, kids. Also, we've got some natural organic pumpkin pie spice and some vanilla extract for that yummy yumminess. So if you, like me, absolutely love fall and you're super looking forward to getting your pumpkin pie spice lattes and all of those things that we absolutely love, and what do they call it, going basic over, which is a curious curious moniker there. I want to talk about that for a second. But all of those wonderful pumpkin pie spice latte, all of the pumpkin flavored things. If you are excited to get into that as much as I am, then this is definitely going to be a free create for you. This is so creative, being able to, once you get the hang of it, because as you'll learn, it's about 80-20. Actually, that's when you're making sugar scrubs, is 80-20. But when you make these, you can make any flavor you want. The sky is the limit. And once you start working with essential oils and start working with spices and all kinds of amazing, amazing things, you can make them any flavor, any style, and it is just absolutely creative. I mean, you could go nuts in the kitchen. I know people that do this for a living. I help them do this for a living. So come join me as I show you how easy it is to make your own at-home 100 million% natural whipped body butter. Look at this. I'm gonna give you a little porn shot again. Look at that. Sorry, guys. Sorry, not sorry. Super excited to share this with you. So we are going to get right into the materials because new September, new me, and I am going to be trying something different and getting right into the DIYs. And then if you did enjoy our stretch and power pose time, please let me know in the comments below, whether this be on Facebook or on YouTube. Please share that with me because, as always, your feedback does help me decide how we're going to do these videos, what we're going to include, the kinds of topics that you want to see. So comment below if you loved those times and you want them back included. Otherwise, we're just going to keep on keeping on, evolving for you, evolving for me, evolving in serving you. So let's go ahead and get ready and gather up all of our materials, which is going to be super simple, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own. I'm so excited! Oh my God, so good. I could just sit here and smell this all day. So here we are, the finished product. Again, as you saw much in the beginning, super easy. Just take a little bit of that here. Just beautiful. Just the texture of this is just so ridiculously silky. And how easy was that? We just go ahead and just, and it's already melting. Look at that. It's already melting. This is going to absorb into your skin very, very quickly because of the low concentration of olive oil and the higher concentration of the other oils, the shea butter. I don't know if you can tell, but that is pretty much all already absorbed. It's almost matte already. I absolutely making these whipped body butters just for that reason. And it is a fantastic and creative way, again, to make yourself feel luxurious. Once you get the hang of the ratio of butters to smells and herbs and whatever you want to use for your flavor, the sky is the limit. And there is no limit to how luxurious you can feel when you make your own butters and scrubs and things. And then again, to know that not only did you make that, and that can be something that you're really proud of, but then you can share it with the world and you know what's in it. Okay, I cannot stress enough, especially as we are going through the spiritual journey and our evolution and our transformation. I have to remind everyone, and I have to remind my clients of this all the time, is that we are spiritual beings going through an emotional, but too going through a human transformation, a human evolution. Okay, we are not humans going through a spiritual evolution. We are spiritual beings going through a human evolution. All right, and in that process, you will probably discover, as many of my clients do, that the more processed something is, the higher chance that your body's going to start to reject it. So no more fast food, no more that, no more this, no more the other. Your skin will probably get to be really sensitive and will probably burn from a lot of the sunscreens and like bug sprays and things of that nature that we slather ourselves with, particularly during the summer. All right, so this is a fantastic way of making your own natural butter that will heal that cracked skin and bring it back to its natural luminosity, but also you know what's in it. You know what's in it, and you can feel safe not only using this with like your children because you know what's in it, but then also it is a great way to give it as a gift. That little green sampler that you saw me fill up there, I actually gave that one to my mom because she also loves fall, and those make great gifts. So as you saw from this recipe, it made this whole entire jar and one of those little samplers. So you can imagine how many of those little samplers you could fill up and give away as gifts for whatever reason. Particularly, we know it's fall is upon us, which means that Christmas is nigh on as well. And birthdays and anything else that falls during this time of year, it's as simple as just changing the flavor to whatever suits you. And you can so easily give this away as gifts. And using a lot of times, particularly again, if you're on this spiritual journey, this health journey, and you're changing your eating habits and you're incorporating that coconut oil, shea butter is very easy to find again on Amazon, as I showed you before. Those little cups, those little green tins, also got them on Amazon for a very relatively inexpensive price, and it makes a wonderful gift because again, you made it yourself. You know exactly what's in it. You can make little stickers, put them on there with the ingredients. I did that 1 year for my belly dance sisters. Actually a couple of years in a row I did it for my belly dance sisters in class, and I made them little lip balms, and they absolutely went over like hotcakes. I had those girls come into me in January, February, and even into March. They were like, okay, so we've used them all up. We need more, Daniela. We need how do you make this thing? And it is so easy to make your own stuff. So I think I'm going to start a series on making your own butters and sugar scrubs and lip balms and things, particularly as the weather is getting colder, our skin is getting more chapped, and we are definitely going to need some awesome herbal, natural, soothing luxuriousness. And again, how amazing does it feel to have made that yourself and know that you can make yourself feel luxurious at any time? So easy. How much would you pay for this in the store, really? Should we talk about that too for a second? All right, my loves, this is Daniela of Redesign Your Life Forever, and I am so happy to start sharing my passion with you of using divine intelligent design and making your own natural things to heal and soothe and, luxuriate your body as we go through this energetic transformation. Because again, you will notice that your body will start to reject things that aren't natural, that aren't real. And this is a great way to start incorporating those things into your life, an easy way so that you can stop poisoning yourself and really, really help your body along this evolution. So thanks again for hanging out with me. I love bringing this stuff to you, amazing, amazing Phoenixes, and I will see you